So I've got the ViAir here, and it is attached to the battery terminals up there in my truck, and it's there, and I've got it, the coil. There's a couple different cords if you need a long hose. There's one hose, it's all coiled. It goes this far, but then when you need to go back to the trailer, you've got an extension hose you can connect there to go here back to the trailer tire. So pretty cool, pretty handy. And I just did the other side, and now I'm going to do the two wheels on this side of the trailer. So yeah, really nice, handy. I like that it has the built-in gauge, although I do have a tire pressure monitoring system to also tell me what the pressure is, and they're not exactly the same. They do read a little bit differently, but that's okay. It's not super far off or anything. So anyway, I'm going to air up my tires with the ViAir. Good stuff. I like it. It's handy. I wish that it had some kind of a plug into an outlet instead of always just because I could just plug into the pedestal back behind the trailer instead of having to hook it up to the battery terminals and turn on the truck and all that stuff. But you know, that's a minor inconvenience, not the end of the world.